Well, here we are, all set up in Taroom for the weekend. Should be pretty good. Got the neighbours cooking brekkie, getting coffees. Good little spot up here. It's quite nice on a little reserve. So up here for the weekend with the boys. I can cruise around in quads, having fun, having a flick. No good with the fish at the moment, but it is pretty cool. But we'll see what we can do. Got the old pancakes going for brekkie this morning. Not bad, eh? Got the morning coffee. Got one ready to go. Bit of maple syrup happening. This is living. Let's go see if the boys have caught anything. Any luck down here, mate? No luck down here. Ah, bugger. At least you didn't forget the grubs this time, mate.
No, plenty of grubs.
Plenty of grubs. I'll go see. I'll go see how the other boys are doing. Come on, Butch. What have we got going on down here?
Fishing.
Bit of fishing.
Lose and lures.
Oh no, couple of bust ups, mate.
A couple of log busters.
That's not good.
Oh, 3 metre flatty.
Did you get one? A 3 metre?
Got one. 3 metre.
That's alright.
Okay.
Good morning here, eh?
It's nice. Nice. Shame it's not a bit clearer, but that's alright.
Well, can only do what we can do, mate.
Yeah.
Oh, there he is. He's cool colour, isn't he?
He's warming up.
Yeah.
He's right over here. No, he's just on the thing. His little jaw.
Yeah.
What did he do? Did he put it to you? No, we
he
just
was
pulled
just
up
here.
here and Tom was going to get off and he like scuffled around.
Cool little waterholes, eh? It's like you've got all of this dry and then you've just got these beautiful little like almost oasis little spots where it's just water. Come Butch. Ah, back here. Back here.
Left him on the line. Snag.
He's a good size, eh?
It's a yellow. Which one did you catch him on? My auto.
I fucking got him to swallow the
Oh,
whole.
get down there.
Cut the line off and then put it over here.
Yeah, tied it on. That doesn't look like 80 pounds. Little knot there, look green. Look.
Yeah.
Our old tree was tight, it was going like that. Like,
Got fish on here.
Yeah, just in there, man. It'd be fucking, like we said before, Scott, there'd be heaps in there.
Yeah, 100%. They'll be sitting under them logs for sure. Got the old cocktails on the go over here, eh, love? Woo! On the old rums, mate. You. This is living.
See that?
Another beautiful morning here in Taroom. We've sat around the fire, had our coffee, and just about to start cooking brekkie. Gonna have some bacon and egg rolls. What do you think, mate? Good? Hmm?